how to change language on WeChat. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can change language on WeChat. How do you do that? The first step is to log in into your WeChat application. Then after you've launched the application, move to the lowest part of the screen or where you can see icons like chats, contacts, discover and me. So just tap on the me option as the lower right corner of the screen. So once you're done with that and you're brought to your profiles page, the next step is to move to the last part and click on the option there, the settings option that you can see there. Then once you click on settings, you'll be brought to the settings page. On the settings page, you can see options like account security, guardian mode, easy mode, message notifications, chat, general. So click on general. On the generals page, you can see interface and display. You can see dark mode, landscape, display, then language. So just tap on language. And then on the language page, you can see different kinds of languages that are available. So choose your preferred language from the list. So we have a number of languages. So I'll just select, for example, Francais. And then once you're done selecting the language, by the top right corner, you would see the save icon that has been activated. So click on save, and just like that, your WeChat interface would now be displayed in your selected language. So thank you and have a good day.